The darkness of space enveloped the derelict vessel like a shroud. Captain Ortega's voice echoed through the comm system as she addressed her crew. "All right, let's move in. We're going to inspect this ship from stem to stern." The crew of 5 moved cautiously, their suits' life support systems humming in the background. Their first few scans revealed nothing out of the ordinary, just the usual signs of decay and neglect. But as they ventured deeper into the ship, something caught Sarah's eye. A small, perfectly preserved flower bloomed on a console in Captain Ortega's quarters. It was a rare species, one that had been extinct for centuries. Sarah's voice trembled slightly as she called out to the rest of the crew. "Guys, look at this." The others gathered around her, their suits' lights illuminating the flower's delicate petals. It seemed almost deliberate. Who would go to such lengths to preserve a single plant? As they began to explore the ship further, the crew discovered more anomalies. Equipment was still functional, despite being decades out of date. Some areas were even sterilized, as if someone had deliberately cleaned and disinfected them. But there was no sign of any living person, not even Captain Ortega. Theories abounded among the crews. Some thought it might be a prank gone wrong, while others believed it could be a trap set by an alien species. Sarah couldn't shake the feeling that there was more to this ship than met the eye. The closer they got to the captain's quarters, the more evidence of deliberate maintenance they found. Someone had carefully arranged furniture, ensuring that every surface was spotless and untouched. It was as if someone wanted them to find this flower. Finally, after what felt like an eternity of searching, they stumbled upon a small logbook hidden away in the captain's quarters. As Sarah opened it, she saw that Captain Ortega had indeed written about the flower, but only once. "I've found something incredible," the captain wrote. "A single bloom of Elyria starlight has germinated on my console. It's the first I've seen in decades and I'm not sure what to make of it." The final entry was cryptic. "I'll keep watching over it. If anyone finds this, please know that hope remains." The crew gathered around Sarah, their faces filled with wonder. How did Captain Ortega end up here? What had driven her to preserve such a rare plant, and why had she left behind no explanation? As they pondered these questions, the ship's engines suddenly roared back to life. The lights flickered and the air vents whirred to a gentle hum. It was as if something was trying to communicate with them. "We're getting a message from an unknown source," said Alex, his voice trembling slightly. "It's a video feed from an old console in the bridge." The image flickered to life, showing Captain Ortega standing before a viewscreen that displayed a breathtaking vista of stars and planets. "Welcome, crew," she said, her eyes shining with determination. "I know you're wondering about me and this ship. I'll tell you everything, but only if you promise to keep watching over the last bloom." The video ended abruptly, leaving the crew staring at each other in confusion. What did Captain Ortega mean? And who was she talking to? As they continued to investigate the ship, they stumbled upon more logs and recordings from Captain Ortega herself. It seemed that she had been on a mission to explore the galaxy, one that had taken her farther than any human had ever gone before. But as she delved deeper into the unknown, something changed within her. She became obsessed with preserving life, no matter how small or insignificant it seemed. The flower was just the beginning. The final log entry read, "I've seen so much beauty and destruction, but I'll keep watching over this ship and its last bloom." For in a universe full of darkness, hope remains. As the crew realized what they had stumbled upon, their minds reeled with questions. Who was Captain Ortega? What did she mean by her words? And what secrets lay hidden within the depths of space? The flower remained, a symbol of hope in a vast and mysterious universe. The crew knew that they had only scratched the surface and that there was still much to uncover. But for now, they were left with one burning question: who was watching over them from the shadows?